Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Tuesday, February the 26th, 2019. Well, let's go ahead and get a look at today's markets and see what happened. First, let's take a look at the spiders. And you can see here we had a fairly volatile day, up and down, a lot of wicks on these candles. If you look real close here, you can see we did come up a little bit into that resistance area and pulled back. So we have a big topping tail here, so that's a little bit of a concern, but the good news is it didn't pull back real far, and it's just a normal pullback. As long as we consolidate in here for a while, we probably will be just fine. So but we're going to have to watch it and see what happens. We are still above the key averages. There's your 200 right there. There's your 20. Here's your 50. There's your resistance up here. So let's keep an eye on this as the month finishes out and see where we go. On the Qs, a little nicer looking candle here. You can see we've got the green candle here. We are above the 200 and nicely above the 50. The 20, and here's the 50 down here. There's that resistance area up here we're talking about. So, the fact that we came down in here into support and went back up, that's a good sign. And once again, you can see here all the wicks that we've had here. So, a little bit of a choppy day. So, but that's where the Qs ended up. Once again, we're going to watch this and see how the month ends out. And the diamonds, I guess good news, bad news. We did, come down, but we, got about half of it back. We have a green candle, even though it is a loss for the day. Once again, we have a lot of wicks here, and I'll point out that we had, the diamonds had average volume, and the spiders and the Qs had below average volume. So that's basically your market update, and we'll stay tuned and see what happens. Now let's go ahead and get into Holly, and we had Holly Grill with 13 trades, risk off $1.93. That was real nice. Risk on minus 25 cents. And let's take a look here. We had EXAS, which was the breakout strategy. She hit her target. That was a long trade, so she got out of it because of her target hit. But had you stayed in until the end of the day, it pulled back. You would have only had 10 cents. And her best risk on trade was KSS, 53 cents. So she actually made 74 cents on it. She got out for a profit save, and then it continued pulling back. It consolidated, went up a little bit at the end of the day, but only 53 cents had you held it. Now Holly 2.0 had 21 trades for a profit of 236. Her risk on profit 288, so she did quite well also. And her best trade was FOCS, a tailwind trade, 76 cents for a timed exit. So you can see here where she got in it, where she got out of it. Had you held it till the end of the day, just 53 cents. It did pull back a little bit at the end of the day. And the best trade was on risk on was Got Dough Wants to Go. This was CVNA. And she actually got out for a profit save. And we talk about this a lot of times where Holly will be safe and she doesn't want to take a loss, so she'll get out either at even or a small gain, small loss, and then the trade takes off. And this one, sure enough, did $1.60 had you held it till the end of the day. So very, very nice trade. Let's go ahead and move our charts up so we can take a look at the Holly Neo. 14 trades here, profit of 7 cents. Risk on loss of 32 cents. Her best trade, though, was the same Exus, which we talked about a minute ago. And her best risk on trade was MGTA, which was the quarterback. And, she got in that one right here. As you can see here, it went up and it pulled back some. She got in, and got out for a profit save right away then. And then it started working and made 67 cents had you held it till the end of the day. let's go ahead and bring in our Excel spreadsheet here and see how we're doing for our totals. We ended up with 48 trades for today. 436 was the profit. Risk on profit minus 231. For the week, we're at 80 trades, 392 profit, 621 risk on profit. Thank you again for watching today, and now I'm going to take you to my blog. It's this bit.ly link right here, and if you click it, you're going to see it takes you to my blog, which is right here. And in here, as I am an affiliate with Trade Ideas, I've been trading now actually for only 3 years, and I got into trading, and as I saw what it could do, I just think that everybody should be doing some type of trading, whether it's investing, whether it's day trading, whether it's swing trading. There's just such an opportunity here, and I just want to share that and get more people involved. Of course, I believe in the Trade Ideas scanning software. It is tremendous to use. And we do offer several free things. The first thing is our trade of the week, okay? And, with the trade of the week, every Monday you will get that emailed to you. All you have to do is if you go into this blog, if you click this, it'll take you to the link. You put your email address in there, and you get a new trade idea every Monday in your inbox. It's intended as a swing trade. It's selected by professional long-time traders. You get entry, exit, and target prices, and we'll show you how we identified the trade of the week, why we believe it'll perform well based on the chart, the technical conditions that are in place for the stock at this time, and how you can find more trades like the trade of the week on your own. So sign up now. Another thing that we offer absolutely free is our trading room hosted by Barry Einerson, okay? And, if you just click this link right here, you can join. You do need to set up a username and a password, but it is totally free. Barry calls out his trades. He also goes over how some of the scans work and how you set them up and how you can adapt them to your way of trading. It is a very, very good room to be in, so give that a shot. Next thing we have that's totally free is this ebook that our guys put together, 5 Ways to Win in a Post-BTFD Market. And so, once again, if you just click here, you put in your email address, you download it, and, you can add trading the short side to your list of things you have in your arsenal. So it's good to do that. And then we have our free webinars, and you can watch our archives if you go to this link. We have a webinar every Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. Eastern, and we go over, a market analysis and, a lot of times how Holly did. Each day kind of has a different theme, so, but it's just more knowledge. It's more free stuff. You get ideas, and you learn. So, you need to be always learning. I don't care if you've been in this market for a day or for 50 years, there's always something else you can learn, a new trade, a setup, or what's working for other people. And lastly, if you see the many benefits and you like what you see, give us a try. We have our standard plan, our premium plan. You can try it by the month or by the year. And I even have here, if you use Bullseye 15, I can save you 15% off your first month or your first year. So I hope you take advantage of some of the free stuff, and maybe someday join us as a member of Trade Ideas as well. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.